Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, August the 27th, 2014. This is CL pre-market for today using the slow hand method for price action. Overnight low was 93.75. Overnight high is 94.24. And that's just really happened right now. It's just after 8 a.m. this morning, Eastern Standard Time. Price from yesterday had a bit of a big range. It looks like price is really approaching yesterday's overnight high. Or daily high of 94.35. So within, we got within almost 10 ticks of it, or 11 ticks of that over yesterday's high. And if we look back, I mean, looking like reaching it from last week, the 94.46, 94.50 area. Price is still off. I mean, if you look at it from the perspective of just a few weeks ago, we're at well over 100. We're at $105. In the beginning of June, July, as far as price oil is concerned, we're still $12 roughly off of that high, and we've tipped down into the 90, just below $93. And that was just a couple days ago. We're at just below $93 just a few sessions ago. So that's really like $14 off of where we were just a few months ago. Now, does it have any real bearing? I mean, not for today. I think that price is pretty low valued. I guess a couple of reasons. It's got to do with the fact that Europe is having some challenges as far as their economy is concerned, as far as prices are concerned. Perhaps Russian sanctions, any of those news-driven events is probably affecting the price more than anything else. And we've had a pretty strong U.S. dollar. There's a correlation between the value of the U.S. dollar and the price of oil in general. But that's really not really concerned about during intraday. I mean, it's something to keep in the back of your mind where price is ultimately going to go. However, right now we're just really looking at what's going to happen over the course of the next of the session. What I'm expecting, well, we've already had this overnight move. We've had it looks like we're setting up for a tight trading range over the course of the last little while. You see the lows right here, and I'd say the lows in this tight area. These matching lows are at 94.06, just above $94. I mean, 94.03 is really the low. Now, is this going to work as support for another move up? If we look at the overnight high, let me just get this, do this. If we look at the overnight high, and we look at this from a measured move standpoint, we've had this first move up from off this low to this area. We've had this first pullback, the second pullback to here, and maybe we're looking at a measured move to this area. So if we're looking at targeting, depending on where you get in as far as the stops below these measured move for this low, looking at an initial target of 94.47, which would put us, just above what yesterday's pricing was, or very close to it. So 94.47, just a few ticks off of that, and so that's what. If we get a good entry, price come back down to here, perhaps visit. Maybe you can get your first 15 ticks off, and then ride the runner from there. But that's something to keep in mind. The second thing to keep in mind is today is the inventory day. DOE report comes out at 10:30, and we all know that after 9 o'clock open, 9:30, as we get closer to 10 o'clock, we anticipate maybe the pricing being affected from that standpoint. I saw a blurb last night on a program talking about commodity prices and the expectations that we had a shortage last week, and we may be anticipating another shortage this week. It remains to be seen as far as the oil reserves are concerned. So we'll see how that works out going into as we approach closer to 10:30. Anyways, we can keep up with mine for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Vance. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.